This car was my dream, but I might sell it. I've had this car for 8 years. Rebuilt the engine, spent a ton, but now it just sits. Rust is eating it alive. And honestly, I'm thinking about selling it. But part of me can't. This isn't just a car. It was my dream. So I'm making this video to ask you, should I sell it or finally start the rebuild and document it all? Let me know in the comments. That was the video I posted on TikTok and it grabbed some attention. I expected maybe 1000 views, but I got way more. But the best thing was comment section. You guys showed me so much love and motivation, and a lot of you shared your stories as well, which was really nice to see. Before I walk you through what this car really needs, I've got to get it ready. Connect the battery, pick up some tools and few checks of the car. And right now I'm thirsty, so let's get some water. Simple things: fresh water, fresh air, and my car. And as I look at it now, I can't help but wonder, what does the future hold for this BMW? Let's walk around and I'll show you what it really needs. The body isn't in the good shape. All doors had to be replaced for a new one, or at least for one without rust. The paint, faded, tired, begging for a new life. And as you can see, it needs really good wash. I'm a little bit scared of what I can find here under these bubbles. And this doesn't need an explanation. I'm quite surprised that sunroof is still working. So let's pop the hood and I'll show you the engine. Under the hood, spider webs are like everywhere, as you can see. This car now struggles with the power, and I think it's because of this actuator. It's probably stuck. I'm trying to move it, but it's not moving at all. And yeah, the wipers, so loose. When I'm using them, they stuck in the middle. Door cards are asking for help. But seats? These are in pretty good condition, I think. Passenger one have some cracks, but other than that it's pretty good. That's one of the things why I didn't pass the inspection. You cannot see how much kilometers it have. That's a new one for me. I thought that this is working, but no. I like the steering wheel. It gives this car like some vintage vibe. Electric windows, also working. But as you can see, this doesn't work as well. But the passenger door side is in good shape. Speaking of technical inspection, this is another thing that I had to figure out. It needs new brakes in the back, also with handbrake. And the front brakes, I think, also needs change. So before the next inspection, the checklist is clear. Fix the odometer, brakes, front and rear, handbrake, proper wash, and of course oil change. And yet, every time I drive it, even like this, it reminds me why I still keep it. There's something special about this car, something I'm not ready to give up on. Maybe this is just the beginning of the E34's next chapter. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.